What is up, guys, and welcome back to another one. It is opening day here in Missouri for turkey season. We got the crew with us. We got Rudy here. We got Tristan there. We got Tim there. We are T-minus 10 minutes till we get there. We got a little bit of sun coming up, so we're gonna get there about right on time. Feeling good this morning, boys?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Opening morning, baby.
Let's do it. I don't know what I want to do. I'm gonna be sitting down. Excuse me, that's when it gets freezing.
All right, guys, we're in the blind. We got quite a few goblin. We're here a lot more than we did last night. We got 4 of us in here. We got 4 decoys out front. We're hopeful. We got 2 guns going. Hopefully we can get a double. We got a couple other guys that are out hunting in front of us and to the side of us. Hopefully they can push something to us, or we can push something to them, or somebody gets a bird today. How you feeling?
I did my little tree calling earlier, about 15 minutes ago. Had 3 or 4 hens to our right start to go, and then we got 2 gobblers over the ridge side. They're just firing off this morning. Every time the hoot owl behind us goes off, they just hit it, double gobble, triple gobble. So hopefully they hear our calls, come over this way, pass up everybody else, and today will be a very successful opening morning. So stay tuned.
Alright, so basically what we got going on is we're competing with one other guy for where the birds are. The birds are on his property. We think there's like 3 birds. Tristan's gonna shoot first. That was right here. And then Rudy's gonna back clean up. Hopefully we can get Tristan his first bird today. He's never shot one before. So, stay tuned. Hopefully we get some action here in the next couple of minutes.
Siesta time. What? It's almost siesta time. Nap time. I was in that deep sleep, and all of a sudden it was just like, whack, 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 whack. And then I woke up, looked right at him, and he was like, yeah, I heard that too. My blood is going right now, because she was like right here. There's just 2 hens right here, right on the outside of the front yard. I mean, if we can sneak around the house this way, I might have a chance to like getting around the corner, getting the gun on them and blasting them out. I think your dad would appreciate a gunshot right next to the house. Redneck hunting.
So we were just sitting in the truck, kind of waiting wait till about 11 o'clock or so to go back to the blind, see if any toms were moved on to a different group of hens. We're sitting here in the truck all sleeping, and all of a sudden we start hearing some chirping coming, and lo and behold, there's a hen, a bearded hen, just on the other side of the house here, right in the front yard. We couldn't get a gun on them quick enough before they were back out off the property we're on, but we seen some turkeys. We're sitting there again. We look up the hill, and right this hill behind me, there's just one walking, and the truck's right there. So, interesting stuff. Hopefully we can get a gun on one by the end of the day. So, changing spots. Went up on the top of this ridge. We were hunting the bottom before. We just had seen a whole bunch of turkeys fly across the power cut. We're gonna sneak on down there, go on the edge, and see if we can get something rocking, see if we can get some action going. So stay with it. All right, boys, we are all set up. We got Rudy set up there. He's a shooter. And then we got the other guys set up down here on the edge. The decoys are all in the middle. We can see through a little straightaway right here, and we're hunting a little power cut. I'm on the film, and hopefully we can get it done.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, here's your coffee.
There's a raccoon.
What there is?
Yeah.
Is it coon season?
Climb down that tree right there. I heard it too, but I thought it was Tractor's box call. I think we got our hopes up when we seen that one. You're gonna go?
Yeah, I'm trying to get my best way.
Send it. That was bold.
Honestly, I thought it was a lot.
I think that's just bark off the tree.
That was me.
Flashback to like 15 minutes ago and we were gonna blow the head off a bunny rabbit.
Cut it for me.